Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix Safari cannot open web page on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to open any website on Safari and facing the issue that website not opening or not working or not loading, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings here, click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you're using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network from your device. So guys, as you can see, and guys, now you need to go back. After going to back, you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem, and after this you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to update your device to latest iOS version, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to scroll it down, and from here you have to open apps tab, and you need to find here Safari. So guys, open your Safari app here, scroll it down, and here you can see the option of clear history and website data. Click on all history and you need to clear history, and after this you need to open it again, scroll it below and click on advanced, and guys, now you need to click on feature flags and scroll it below, and here you need to click on reset all to defaults. And guys, after doing this, you have to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, hope your problem will be fixed. If still not fixed your problem, no need to worry. You have to open Apple Store here and select your gadget, scroll it down, click on more. You need to find here Safari, and guys, after this you need to click on call, and guys, you need to call at these numbers, tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, these are the working method to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.